Jose from Autoshop Racing Engines.
Det tog oss bara 5 timmar att ta ut Jesus igår. Och nu ska vi försöka få upp den på bänken.
Det är nära.
Har du arbetstillstånd i USA förresten? Yeah, hey Tony, take him for a walk.
Jaha, ska vi starta då?
Tony, showtime!
Ja.
Det såg ju bra ut. Vi fick in motorlåda igår kväll. Vad gör du där Tony? Sätter in kallare stift nu. Men nu är vi på La Motta Performance. Ska det här fungera? Ja.
As a voltage drop, they got real lean.
Yeah.
Alternator.
It's down a lot.
But how the hell does anybody in Sweden don't understand me in English? Or what do you do? Have somebody change your voice?
Yeah, we have lines.
Oh, I
see in Swedish. Now the blower has come back from Pro Charter. Carl is here for the last day of his almost 1 week stay. And
Ja, det är på det berömda alltså.
nu är vi hos Takash Racing.
In the adiabatic concept, you could never use gasoline as a fuel because the engine is so hot that if you try to put gasoline in it, it would detonate. Let's get on with it.
Kör försiktigt, så ses vi i Sigma nästa vecka.
$26 PSI hade vi. Så nu har vi blåst en toppackning med den nya installationen här.
Skruvar du samman plåtbord eller?
Nej, lägg ihop dem med vipporna! Bagaren var inte nöjd med avgasportarna när han flödade, så han ville porta upp dem. Så vi hade 25 minuter på oss att hämta den andra toppen, sa han. Klockan är... Stampy came from Pennsylvania last night and he's at work directly preparing to put on this NASCAR water pump. 84.
He still is a kid. Yeah, Smokey, yeah.
Silicon carbide is cheaper than aluminum.
UN Generation 2. Hey buddy. The man of wonderful surprises are here again. Hi Carl. What are you doing?
Well, I'm trying to be like Tony.
Du skulle kunna få in mer, men den är så jävla tung. Den kommer att bli platt. Den ska stå i en månad nu. Ditt varuhus. How about that ändå?
I didn't think you were recording.
Så nu har dubbelbiltrailern kommit. Det är fina grejer.
Yeah, what kind of car is it?
F430.
Let's have a race first.
30's like supposed to be pretty fast.
Since you were here the last time, I was able to talk to you freely about the workings of the hot vapor cycle engine because the patents were concluded and we had protection and I had no problem with it. But since you've been here, we have signed a contract with a domestic motor company